Sinasamahan naman tayo ng Petron Universe. Pero Barangay Ginebra nakanako doon.
Like you said, you use that time out because you're in the
crowd. Alam na, napapanood po naman ng magandang laban ng Barangay Ginebra at Petron. A minute and 30 remaining in the ball game. Aluseni. Ang kanya semi-hook. Pumasok pa rin! Ciso Barrel going here in the dying minutes of the ball game. This time, gusto nilang mangyari. So ito naman, pagkakataon ng Barangay Ginebra magpakita, pero naagawan sila ng Petron. Chris Lutz with a steal.
Chris Lutz, you know, you talk about his offensive skills, but you have to remember that this guy is a very
Petron Blaze, a minute and 16. Cabagnot receiving the inbound pass. So Chris Lutz out to Arvin Santos against Babu. They're going one-on-one. Arvin Santos, yung kanyang looper, all air. Grace Alexander with the rebound to Mark Kagiwa.
Itong Barangay Ginebra only had one timeout left. That's why they did not use it in this period right here.
Glove check si shot clock. Atake si JJ Hildebrand making the basket. Big basket. And they have to call a timeout to talk things over. That's the big shot by JJ Hildebrand. Hindi inintay yung defense ang ibinigay sa kanya ni Chris Lutz. A big pull-up jumper. Matapos ma-depensahan yung tira nitong si Arvin Santos. Ang Barangay Ginebra delivering. Susunod po natin sa araw naman ng Miyerkules. Pero balikan natin ating laban. Petron with the ball but they're down by 1 point. Chris Lutz to Al Husseini. Al Husseini. Ang jumper namin this. Ang rebound makukuha ni Mark Kagiwa to JJ Hildebrand.
No need for Petron to foul. Actually, a lot of times. Ooh, cleaned out by Willie Wilson. Is Alex Cabagnot.
Not the best of decisions for Willie Wilson in that play.
Now we have to see if it is actually an illegal screen. That's what was called by the referees. You can see talaga si Alex Cabagnot tumilapon nung dumaan siya kay Willie Wilson.
Sa ating pagkakakita dito, mukhang itong si Willie Wilson leaned forward. Ito, close call, at least in that angle.
Here it is. Petron situation. You know in close games, look out for Alex Cabagnot. And don't forget about Danny Ives.
Cabagnot taking it upon himself, fitness. Willie Wilson with the rebound. Atoning for the miscue earlier. Coloring that big rebound for Willie Wilson. At pinaut pa ito. Nasa penalty situation ng mga Petron. So 2 free throws for Willie Wilson.
You know, you look at the shots that Petron had, all decent looks. This one, Alex able to beat out itong si JJ Hildebrand. But you also have to wonder.
No. 20 seconds, binalik po ang ating oras. Nakadagdag ng isang kalahating segundo kasi kanina 18.5 yan. Wilson completing the 2 free throws. Lamang sila ng tatlo.
Still going to be willing to take that. What's important is that clock management, quick points para sa Petron.
Pero nasa labas pa ito si Cabagnot. Ang pasa niya kay Pasikas, nahihirapan as he is being defended by Willie Wilson. Halos mawala pa ang bola. Daniel Duponso recovers. Sa labas, Cabagnot. Ipapasa kay Chris Lutz. Chris Lutz, mapasok. Balik kay Pasikas for 3. Boom! Time management. Yung pala ang version ng time management for Petron. Not going for the 2 though. 3-pointer from Nick Pasikas to tie the ball game up.
Good defense is part of Willie Wilson. But here, a patience and the patience of a team that is of championship caliber. And finally, finding the guy na libre para...
Jason, nagkagulo na yung dinisenyo na play. But the basketball IQ of your players, hindi na rattle, still looking for the... Obviously, mga outside shooter ang kanilang mamatayan dito. 3.9 remaining.
Lots of time.
JJ Hildebrand with the ball. Ang kanyang tira. Challenge! Oh,
oh my God! Big! Look at the time on your screen. 3.9. Sabi natin, maraming oras yan. JJ able to carve out space. Going to the right side. Just a small screen here. Actually, si Pasikas na nakabantay sa kanya. Pinomba pa! Pasok pa rin para kay JJ.
When you have a 6'11 guy in front of you, you really have to be creative with your shot. At yun mismo, ang ginawa nito si JJ Helterbrand with one hell of a winner dito po sa panalo ng Barangay Ginebra. Ika nga, nakipaglaro sila sa pagkatalo dito sapagkat nawala nila yung 22-point lead. But when it mattered most, pumunta sila kay JJ Helterbrand and he delivered.
See it right there, JJ just able to find some inner strength and able to find a way, an angle, para ma-shoot yung bola na yon.
One thing I can say about JJ, it must be the shoes. JJ Helterbrand with that big shot. Ilang beses po natin ulitin, hindi magsasawa ang Barangay Ginebra with this sweet victory dito po sa ating Sunday offering. A win